Right, getting on with it. I've got me a rather cheapo gas plastic welding thing. It's a bit crap, to be truthful, a bit naff. And they give you some of these little stupid rods as well, and some stainless steel mesh. Well, I've already started. I've welded in mesh to the plastic, so I've melted the mesh into the plastic and then I've covered it over, or starting to. I've got to give it another little sand down and cover it over with more plastic weld. I've just started down here as well. This end was really bad. You can see there's still a bit of a gap there, but this end does close up quite nice, so shouldn't be a problem, I don't think. But yeah, just started to put on weld now. There was a big hole here. There's a pin that goes through here that holds the hopper on for a hinge, and that had completely gone. A piece had actually gone, so I've actually welded a hole with this plastic, but I'm not using these plastic strips that they give. They're alright, but they're not quite the same as a cable tie. A cable tie seems to have more, I don't know, fibre or fiberglass, or I don't know what it is, but it welds a lot nicer. And you can actually see the colour difference from the back here, which is the cable ties, to this stuff, which is what they send. You can actually see a difference in it, and it goes off just as hard. It kind of sticks a bit better, to be truthful. Just sticks a little bit harder. So just got to do that crack down there and connect that piece back up. I'm going to put some more mesh down there just to reinforce it, and then we put all the aluminium back into the centre all around here again and lock it in with that one that I've made now, that big one. That should be pretty rigid by the end of that, and it looks pretty cool with that strip around the bottom. Just looks pretty cool. So it's coming on, moving ahead. So yeah, got to try these things, haven't we? Got to learn new things each day. So I'll keep you informed as I carry on. Be lucky, people.